Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride, empowering you to succeed financially.
Today we're answering your listener questions, and I'm here with a friend, Ed Babtkis of Ross Diversified Insurance. Ed is an expert in real estate, insurance, and private notes. Ed, tell us, what type of insurance exists for private notes?
When an investor, like myself, buys a private note, there's a good chance that the borrower has missed their last couple of payments, which is why I'm buying the note, perhaps at a discount, almost always at a discount. And if they haven't made their payments, there's even a greater chance that they have not paid their homeowner's insurance. As a consequence, a lender has to force place or lender place insurance on that piece of collateral in order to make sure that if it burns to the ground, the lender's interest is covered in that property. And again, the chances are that property will not have a homeowner's insurance policy on it. Also, if a lender is buying a discounted note and the place is vacant in the existing Allstate or State Farm policy on there is still in effect, that policy will not be valid because a major material fact is the property has been vacated, it is no longer occupied, and that's grounds for an insurance company to deny the claim, that in of itself. So if I'm buying that note, whether or not there's an Allstate policy, I say Allstate, State Farm, Farmers, traditional homeowners policy on there, I need to protect myself with a lender-placed policy to make sure that if something happens to that property, I'm covered as an investor. Should that property go to where I actually foreclose on it and take it back and it becomes what we call an REO or real estate owned property, real estate owned by the investor, at that time I need insurance on that property as well because the property is vacant and it's more prone to vandalism, malicious mischief, arson, squatters, etc., etc. So it's very important that I recognize that I need to insure that property. Otherwise, really, possibly at the risk of losing my entire investment should something occur that damages that structure.
Ed, thank you. We really appreciate your time and guidance on these listener questions.
There are more investing secrets that are quite powerful for you to build your wealth. If you'd like a VIP introduction to any one of our experts, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single tip from any of our seasoned experts. Okay, watch the next video so you can capture our next secrets to investing. If you're ready, it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.